Myself Mohanish Kumar. I am working in Indian Navy. My current posting is NAI Kanpur, Naval Armaments Inspector Kanpur. I am working in under WNC. My major work is to detect the non-destructive testing, and I came here to take experience on UT testing because I have to utilize this in my daily life, and after coming here I get some extra knowledge, and staff is also well experienced, cooperative, and after getting experience here, this is very much knowledgeable for me. I can utilize this for my Indian Navy in my daily testing and other experiences. After that, very good staff, very good institute, and coordination is also good, facility is also good, and behavior is like extraordinary behavior all of this staff. So thank you NDT and all staff for coordinating and giving me an opportunity to take some knowledge, extra gain, and other knowledge for me, and I hope this will same in continue in future for everyone. Thank you.